Hey y'all, we frying shrimp tonight in the air fryer, of course. Just have a few shrimp, fry them up in the air fryer and pop them on a salad. Mix them up in a little bit of egg and seasoning and this nice fish fry. Pop them in the air fryer using the rack this time, and we'll come back and see how they turn out. Be right back. Now in the previous video, I made this before, but I just lightly dusted them with batter and I didn't use my egg last time. So we're definitely going to see how this turns out. Hopefully it's a lot crunchier and a little bit thicker. Alright. Okay, so we have the air fryer heating up. Got the shrimp in the bag, shaking them up in the batter. Now, of course, you don't need batter. You can just put them in there and add this little spray to coat them a little bit. But since we're going to throw them on top of a salad, I figured we'd throw a little batter on the shrimp. Be right back. Okay, I coated them with the olive oil spray. I laid them on the rack. So the first time we did this, I didn't have the rack. And I definitely didn't use the egg and the batter. I just did a light dust. So now we're going to see the difference in a few minutes. I'm going to set this thing for about 8 minutes at first. Y'all know shrimp don't take that long. Maybe turn it down just a tad. Come back and we'll see how it goes, guys. Okay, y'all. It's smelling good up in here. Let's check it out. What? Now you know, not only are they smelling deep fried, they're looking deep fried. Okay, well, let's pop them back in for a few more minutes. Be right back. Okay, y'all, I know they smell ready, so let's ring this bell and take a peek. Oh yeah, that's him right there. That is him right there. Let me go ahead and plate them up. These things are so pretty. I don't want to screw this up, so I had to grab my tongs. Y'all, look at that. Nice and crispy. Okay, now y'all can't tell me these shrimp do not look deep fried. I mean, I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know if they're gonna make it over there to that salad. Like, I don't know. But let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Did y'all hear that crunch? Okay, let me do it again just in case you don't hear me. Nothing dry about that shrimp. There you have it, y'all. Deep fried, air fried shrimp for a salad. That's probably never gonna happen. See you next time, Big Mama's Kitchen. Dang, these shrimp is good. This don't make no doggone sense.